Everyone, and welcome to the next session of vector calculus and differential equation. Here today we will start our next concept, series solution of linear differential equation with variable coefficient. Linear differential equation with constant coefficients we have studied in our previous video. So we know the process of solving linear differential equation with constant coefficient, that is complementary function and particular integral. Have you remember it? Now let us see how we solve using infinite series the linear differential equation with variable coefficient. Now we restrict ourselves in this unit up to the second order linear differential equation with variable coefficient. So our curriculum is up to the second order linear differential equations. Okay. Now first I write a linear differential equation with constant coefficient. It is a0 d square y by dx square plus a1 dy by dx plus a2y is equal to 0. Right? This is our homogeneous linear differential equation with constant coefficients of order 2. So here a0, a1, a2 are all are constant. Now if I vary this a0, a1, a2. So instead of a0, if I write p0 of x, p is polynomial. For polynomial I use this notation p. So p0 of x d2y by dx square plus p1 of x dy by dx plus p2 of x y is equal to 0. Now compare these two equations so that you get exact meaning of variable coefficients. Here p0 of x is a function of x, p1 of x, p2 of x also functions of x. So these are the variables in terms of these are the values in terms of x, and here a0, a1, a2 are constants. So this is linear differential equation with constant coefficient, and this equation p0 of x d2y by dx square plus p1 of x dy by dx plus p2 of x y equal to 0 is linear differential equation LDE with variable coefficients. And to solve this linear differential equation, we are going to use the concept of infinite series, which we have studied in our previous course multivariable calculus. Infinite series. Have you remembered the concept of infinite series? In infinite series we have studied comparison test, ratio test and so many tests for the convergence of infinite series. Now here this equation we are going to solve using infinite concept of infinite series, right? So the question comes in our mind, any type of this equation can be have the solution, that is series solution? No, the question is no. The answer is no. Every equation of such a type do not have series solution. So which equations have this series solution? The answer is very simple. Equation such that p0 of x, p1 of x, p2 of x has infinite series expansion, infinite series expansion, then the differential equation associated with these coefficients has series solution, right? So the differential equation has a series solution if p0 of x, p1 of x, p2 of x has infinite series expansion. Understood? So these are two concepts we have covered here. The first one is definition of linear differential equation with variable coefficient and when it has a series solution. Next one is what is meant by infinite series. If I write a series y is equal to summation ak x raised to k is equal to 0 to infinity, summation ak x raised to k. Infinite series means here I want power series. Series in terms of x. If I write here k equal to 0, I get a0, x raised to 0 is 1. Next one is k equal to 1, I get a1 x. Next one is a2 x square plus a3 x cube, a4 x raised to 4, a5 x raised to 5 plus dot dot dot. Infinite terms are there. Now the big question arises in front of us. We have an infinite series. We know the process of finding radius of convergence of this series. Everything we know, but the main question is, see our linear differential equation. Our linear differential equation is of order 2. If I am saying that my linear differential equation has order 2, means how many constants appear in this linear differential equation? It must contains 2 linear differential equations. So I have a 2 linear differential equations here. 2 constants I required here. Which are the 2 constants I required? I may require a0 a1 or a1 a2 or a2 a3 like that. But here in infinite series I have a0 a1 a2 infinite number of constants, right? That is not a suitable answer. So how I find a proper answer? So that I must get 2 constants only. For that purpose, what I have to do? I have to find this a2, a3, a4 and all remaining constants in terms of a0 and a1. So I have to find these constants in terms of a0 and a1. So I get only 2 constants. So my final answer is a0 into phi of x plus a1 into psi of x, right? Just a notation I use here, phi of x and psi of x. Phi of x and psi of x are series in terms of x, that is power series, right? But in that I know the values of a3, a4, a5 and so on. So this is our basic concept related to the series solution of linear differential equation. Now if I able to solve these problems based on this concept, I need to understand this P0 of x, P1 of x, P2 of x and its nature, means whether it is exist or not. So depend on that I get ordinary point and singular point. So here if this P0 of x at x equal to 0, P0 of x at x equal to 0 means here what I get? If I put x equal to 0, I get P0 of 0 is not equal to 0. Suppose P0 of 0 is not equal to 0, then the point x equal to 0 is called ordinary point. Is called ordinary point, right? And similar way I can say that if x equal to 0, at x equal to 0, P0 of 0 equal to 0, then the point x equal to 0, is called singular point, is called singular point. So I get here ordinary point and singular point. The discussion on singular point and its solution method is called Frobenius series, Frobenius method, that we will see in our next video. But right now we just concentrate on ordinary point, right?